In front of me is Nevin Phone 3 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. All you need to do is go into settings and click on connected devices right away. Then choose connection preferences and printing. Now you can click on default print service or any other service you have and wish to use. Make sure this switcher is black and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect for some reason, you can also tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Add Printer. Click on Add Printer by IP address, input it here and select Add to connect. Or if your printer is supporting Wi-Fi direct printing, use gray switcher next to this feature and hit Find Wi-Fi direct printers so your smartphone can look for yours. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!